Hi, this is Darlene from Darlene's Junk Journals and More. Come in and take a seat. I'm glad you joined me today. I'm very pleased to bring to you the final reveal of my journal that I made using the parts and pieces that we made over the 5 weeks in November for the 5 days Xmas collab for the between Dear Julie Julie and Cara Brandon Creations. And so let's, any of you that watched last week will have seen the front cover, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so here, this is from Cara Brandon's paper, and I made this a pocket. It's actually a double tuck. See, there's a pocket here and a pocket here, and just use some different images that I had in addition to the papers that we were given. And this is some little journaling card that I added, and another journaling card. These are just little cards that I added to the, some of these, most of this you will have already seen in the daily, in the 5 days. There's a few things that I added to it, but for any of you that haven't seen it, I'll just quickly go through it. This opens up like so. This was a really fun project, and I really thank Cara and Julie for putting these collaborations together. They're really unique in that they have two really distinct styles. Cara uses digitals that she photoshops, and Julie uses makes digital kits out of actual physical things that she has, and does cut and paste the old-fashioned way, which is the only way I know how to do too. And so I really appreciate that. This is also a little tuck spot here, and so I really appreciate both their styles. They're both so unique. I don't do Photoshop, so I really appreciate both. These are just, as I said before, throughout the 5 days, that the 5 Tuesdays, these are pockets that I had from, this was done on a recipe book, and these are the pockets from it. Just get that back in there. And this is a little notebook that I made, journaling cards, and just a little places to tuck spots, and just all different little places to add little notes and stuff like that. I hope you're having nice weather where you are today. It's starting to get overcast here, but it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we've had a beautiful sunny day in the Okanagan, and it's been, we woke up to about 4 inches of snow, and so winter's come. Later than usual, but it's here. This is another little journal card. This is a double pocket. This is a place to write. I just use the envelope as I said before, this was such a fun kit to use, and it really makes our job easy when we've got these beautiful kits to use. This was from I started doing altered book, and it just wasn't going the way I wanted it to go, so I just took out the pages that had already started in it and just added them to it, to this book. And this is I think that comes out. Yeah, this comes this way, and this comes that way. I knew it came out. Helps when I don't hold it in with one hand while I'm trying to pull out with the other. Anyway, this is a little journaling spot. And this is actually a paper clip. So this is another little tag. I love the deer. They're so pretty. And more. This was one of my favorite pages, just combining the two. A little squirrel, and just really love how that turned out. And this is the final page with the Happy New Year. And this has got a little booklet in it on the back cover to add little notes and a little final greeting. And that also has the two pockets. And then the back cover just has and that's the spine. So that is my book. And I just want to again thank Cara and Julie for putting this on. It's been a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it, and I'm so privileged to be a part of this. And I just thank everyone that participated in all the great ideas that we've got from it. And I hope that you will be joining us, and I've got some videos to upload shortly, and I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And for any of you that have other holidays that you celebrate around this time of year, I wish you all the best in those too. Bye now.